What's up, guys? This is going to be a pretty quick video, but I've gotten this question quite a bit on a couple of my other videos, and it's basically how to stitch a GoPro clip back together after the GoPro has split it in the camera. So basically what happens is, in a GoPro, you can only record 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Anything after that is made into a new clip. So this initial clip right here is 5 minutes and 20 seconds, and then anything after that got put into this clip. And then if it went over 10 minutes and 40 seconds, then you'd have 3 clips. So basically, the GoPro splits it up into 2 clips. So for me, I ran into this issue with the real estate gigs that I do. And when I'm filming those real estate gigs, sometimes the videos end up being 6 minutes long, and typically the last couple seconds is just me landing, so it's not even footage that I need. But there has been times where I do need an entire clip and it's cut right in the middle. And the only way that I've been able to stitch 2 clips like this together is to actually just let the 2 clips upload to GoPro's cloud storage. And when it uploads to that, it'll automatically stitch these 2 together, and then you have one full-length clip. You can download that full res and then run that through Reelsteady. So a new tool that you can use to stitch these together is called Reelsteady Joiner, and it's right here on GitHub. So I'll leave a link to this in the description. GitHub kind of has a weird way of downloading files. So when you're on this page, you want to go to the Releases tab, and you can get that right here. And now you just want to download the one that is going to work with your computer. And I'm going to download the DMG because I have a Mac, and that'll download, and then we'll launch it and install it. All right, so once that's all installed, just go to your applications and launch it, Reelsteady Joiner. All right, so once the program's launched, just hit select files, and then you select the clips that you want to import. Make sure you select both clips. Don't select only one, and also make sure that the name is the original name that the GoPro gave it. We'll hit open, and now it's going to load those 2 in, hit merge, and now it's processing the videos, and it's going to export it. Done. If the file isn't open on the side here, you can hit open and explore, and it'll open up a new Finder window, and there's your clip. So now this clip can be ran through Reelsteady, and you're not going to lose any gyroscope data. So where it cut out before was at 520. So if we go to 520, let's see if we can see the cut at all. So the cut will be right there. Nothing. Yep. So now that that's all exported, you can run this entire clip through Reelsteady. So that's going to about do it for this video. This is a pretty simple program to use. I'm glad that there's finally just a program that does this. I've been trying to find a way to do it through After Effects or through Premiere or something, just to get a video file with both files stitched together and retaining the gyroscope data, and I just could not figure it out. So I'm glad that there's finally a nice, easy way to do it. You just import the footage and it does it for you. So if this video helped you out, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment, whatever, dude.